first 60 days, I made over $35,000.
$10,000 in commissions.
240,000.
$2,000 in 10 days.
Actually earned over $15,000.
Just the last 10 months, I'd have $250,000.
How much you want to bet you start making money immediately after watching this video? Money like this. Now, if I were to give you one of those checks, what would you do with it? Pay some bills, buy a new car, take a real vacation. Whatever that is, get ready to do it, because you have been selected out of thousands of people to own a website that is making millions of dollars every month like clockwork, risk-free, guaranteed. And I'm so confident that you will make money with it that I am going to bet $500 on your success. That's right. If you follow the steps and you don't make any money, I'll pay you $500 right out of my pocket. No questions asked. But you'll need to act quickly, because when the spots run out, that offer will be off the table. So don't leave. Watch this video until the very end. If you click out of this page, you forfeit your spot. We'll give your millionaire website and $500 to the next person in line. Did you know that if you made $2,740 every day, you'd be making $1 million per year? Did you know that if you're making $1 million a year, you'd have enough money to live here, drive around in this, travel around the world, and still have over $500,000 sitting in your bank account? Now let me ask you, what do you think it'll take to make that $2,740 per day and become a millionaire? What would you say? 10 hours worth of work? 5 hours worth of work? 1 hour worth of work? What if I told you you can do it in just a few easy steps that you can master before this time next week? Would you believe me? These guys thought I was crazy too, and then it happened.
Within the first 60 days, I made over $35,000.
I generated my first $2,000 in 10 days.
One single sale made me $10,000 in commissions.
Actually earned over $15,000 in just one single weekend.
I've made over $35,000, and that is continuing to grow.
I've made over 240,000.
So I just wanted to show you my results here. So commissions to me, this is the important one, is $122,161.
Over just the last 10 months, I'd have $250,000.
Those members have the secret to making $2,740 every day and becoming millionaires, and the key is simple. Real products, ethical products, with high satisfaction rates that pay a commission anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 at a time, along with a website that helps you sell them every single day. Think about this for a second. You're getting a profitable, ready-to-go, money-making website that would cost tens of thousands of dollars if you tried to build it yourself, and is turning average people with no online experience into millionaires. You won't ever have to do anything technical, never create a product, never build a website, or even pick up the phone to close a sale. I'm already doing that, and I will continue to do that for you. All you need to do is follow a few proven steps to send people to the website I give you, and I'll do the rest. It really is that simple. And if it doesn't work, I'll pay you $500. Where else can you find a deal like that? It's a no-brainer. And when you activate your millionaire website, nothing is held back. I give you everything. My proven sales funnel that's generating millions of dollars a month on complete autopilot with everything I just mentioned in place. I have products, upsells, million-dollar follow-up sequences, relationship builders, webinars, and high-ticket back-end products, all set up and already making money 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Plus, to help you start making money even faster, I've hired you your very own millionaire mentor to get on the phone with you and walk you through the simple steps of the system. That's right, a mentor just for you that has made millions with this very system to educate you, to keep you on track, and to hold your hand until you're a millionaire and beyond. He or she will motivate you to go beyond what you thought possible. And sometimes we need that extra push to become a millionaire. These mentors are millionaires themselves, and they've been instructing millionaires for over a year now. They know exactly what to do. You're in really good hands, but that ain't all. I'm so committed to your success that I will not only assign you a mentor, I will assign you my personal sales team who will be working on your behalf 24/7 to make you more and more money. What will this sales team do? 2 words: close sales. Everyone knows there's a fortune to be made in phone sales. The problem is, everyone hates making the calls. But what if you could make all the profits without doing any of the calling yourself? That's what I'm going to do for you right now. My personal sales team is now your personal sales team. This staff will do the grunt work for you. They will make phone calls for you to sell even more and more expensive products from $1,000 to $10,000 per sale, with all the profits going directly into your bank account. This is a massive shortcut for you. Once I give you the website, you'll be able to take my brand and reputation to generate as much cash as you want. And best of all, on complete autopilot with very minimal effort. I'll be managing all the technical and operational sides of your business: the website, the hosting, the products, the follow-up sequences, the coaching, the phone sales, the high-ticket products, and the payments. Then at the end of every week, I'll send you the money you earn to your account. We are also going to handle absolutely all the fulfillment for you, from delivering the product to your customers, professional support staff that gives them the royal treatment, and all the other things that would stop most people from ever taking action and finding success. I've made this extremely easy for you. I've already built the vehicle, so all you have to do is put in the keys and drive it to your heart's content. Once you're on the inside, you'll discover that making money is as simple as following 3 steps. Step 1, you create a plan with your mentor that is completely customized to you. Step 2, follow the exact steps inside the members area. We have this broken down into an exact recipe, so all you have to do is follow the directions. Step 3, you start making money fast, or I'll pay you $500 for your time and we part as friends. Pretty easy, right? So why am I sharing it with you? Well, I'd like to tell you it's because I love helping people, and that's part of it. But I do have a profit motive, a big one. I've made millions of dollars using this website, but I want to crack through a new ceiling. I've set a goal for myself. I want to make $10 million next year. And what I've figured out is the only way I can do that is by partnering with others. I've run the numbers and found that a nice group of 500 partners can get me there. We profit together. Since your profit is also my profit, I'm going to be giving you so much help and hand-holding it's ridiculous. You won't need to pay extra for that support because my profits will pay for it. At the end of the day, you're making commissions of $1,000 to $10,000 per sale. I help you, you help me. You get rich, I get richer. Sound good? I thought so. I must warn you though, when I said only 500 get in, I meant it. Only 500 get in, and when the spots are gone, they're gone. So odds are good that this is the last and only time you will ever see this page. You can take that to the bank. My students are making hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month, and all you need to do is follow my instructions and you'll be one of them. Just imagine for a moment what making a great consistent income online could mean in your life. Perhaps a new car, a nice family vacation, or just the freedom of not having to live paycheck to paycheck worrying about how you're going to pay the bills. Trust me, I know where you are now because I've been there before. But this changed everything for me, and it will change everything for you too. I stake my reputation on it. I used to be a broke salesman before my team and I perfected this system. I used to buy everything secondhand, generic or off-brand, and not because it tasted any better, believe me. It was because I didn't have any other choice. I'm sure you know the feeling. But now that feeling of never having enough is a thing of the past, and I can't even describe how good it feels to buy anything that I want in cash, live completely debt-free, and even help out friends and family who also used to struggle with money. Our goal is to help eliminate debt, increase family time, and permanently seal the financial freedom of every one of our partners. And now it's your turn. If that doesn't excite you, this will. A lot of our partners were driving around absolutely crappy cars before joining us on this journey. So we decided to do something about it. We are so confident that you're going to make big time waves when you hit our goal level of success. You're going to be eligible for a 100%, no strings attached, no joke, absolutely free brand new car. Not just any new car, a brand spanking new Mercedes-Benz. You heard me right. When you follow our system and hit the level of success that we expect you to, we're going to give you a brand new Mercedes-Benz of your choice. Don't believe me? Let's take a look at some of the recent winners of the Mercedes, and as you watch this reel, I want you to imagine yourself in your own Mercedes-Benz. Even pick out your favorite make and model, because in a few short weeks, this will be you. And here's the great news. You get the free car, plus you keep all of the profits. That's right. This isn't some trade-off game. At that level, you'll be rolling in the dough and rolling down the road in a brand new Mercedes. Sound good? All right, down to brass tacks. I'm not going to stretch this out or delay you jumping right in to activate this millionaire website. You want to start earning money right away, right? Then pay close attention so you don't miss out, because there are probably only a few spots left. With that said, I know you're wondering what a millionaire website like this is actually worth, and why am I giving it to you? I've been asked that many times, and it's kind of a tough question, because I've personally invested millions of dollars into building this system, spent years perfecting it for you, and it generates a 7-figure income for me and my partners. So obviously, to me, it's worth a lot. But recently, I asked a few of our new partners what they thought it was worth, and they all